Bloody amazing video.
Hi! I'm Kenny Rogers.
No, just kidding. We're doing Alex's oil. I do not guarantee where I'm putting this, okay? Try that. And it's hot. Damn hot. So, but once we're ready, that should be lucky 17. Since we're waiting on it to cool off, I shall grab the oil pan. I'll be right back.
On the unedited footage.
The main thing is, I'm not big on burning my freaking hand. Yeah, you can feel that it's. I'd rather not melt these gloves from my hand. Short ride over, but it is hot. Way to go, Alex.
Trying to keep it hot.
There you go. When you're hot, you're hot.
Yeah.
Alright, we got one more thing I forgot. And then we can go ahead and start. Almost forgot my handy dandy pearl. And we do this so we don't get oil on our exhaust pipe when we do the filter. That way you're not having any burn off. It's not smoking and you're going, oh, what the hell did you do to my bike? So this will actually sit right there. That will give all the oil a reason to run this way. Get in there. Woo! Hot. Okay. Well, I don't know where Mom got that foil, but it's some shitty ass foil. This is the hard part, not dropping the drain plug. Alright, come on, pressure washers. There it goes. Yeah, that one was hot. Ooh, mama. Alright, still coming. Hopefully, no problem. Wow, that feels hot too. Alright,
How many was supposed to get at these? I didn't know how many.
you're gonna take just over 3, I believe.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's all they had. They only had 4, so I took the last ones.
Hot. Yeah, it seems like they never have more than.
Yeah.
Every time I go in there and get 4, that's exactly what they have. I guess they get them in boxes of 4. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yummy. Nice and hot like coffee. I don't like my coffee here, you know.
So I was like Michael.
See? I do enjoy cold coffee. Throw my glove, man, Mike bitten. Man, that's rude. That's just damn rude. Okay. Probably gonna have to. Yeah, we'll be able to get it from there. Alright.
So just a training for that. Since it's out.
Well, it's a grabber wrench. Since this filter has no nut on it and no grooves in its body, it's designed to pinch the filter as you put power to it, but it's not pinching. Yeah, I don't want to reach in between that manifold. Doesn't seem to grab the filter. Pretty weird.
It's just because it's not flush.
Well, could be a couple things, but normally we'll grab them pretty quick, but damn sure is not grabbing it today. What the hell? Should be though. Come on. God dang. I've never come across one this damn tight. Son. I wonder who put that on there.
Trying to make sure I never got it on.
Fuck, I guess. We wanted to make sure it wasn't going to fall off. Damn. Of course, and there is another heat expansion too, so we may have to let it
Chill out.
cool off a little bit. We'll be back.
So is that one going to be equally as hot?
We got the damn filter off. Finally. Pull out the big guns. Okay, let me grab some rubber. Ooh, that's that mom. There's a couple of notes that walk down the street to get the kids from the mall.
Oh, there's a school around here, huh?
Yeah, right up the road. Yeah. Right up the road.
They would just like sit out there on the chair. Hey.
No, never. Find a reason to go pull weeds in the front yard. Yeah.
Somebody literally somewhere else. Right?
Excellent. See? Proof positive. That filter was a mofo.
Tore that bitch up.
Yeah, we tore that shit up, bent the shit out of it getting it on. Damn. That was nuts. Yeah. The one filter that almost made me quit everything. Okay. So. Alright, put your hands on the rail. I'm just going to hold her up here for a minute. See how nice and clear that is? My oil, I can change the oil on mine, and it won't even start getting cloudy for 1,200 miles. I mean, these things run so clean. That's one thing I really like about it, is that they're just such a clean running machine.
So why was it already on mine? Why was it already cloudy? Even though it only had 600.
Breaking it. It's breaking it. And really, if you could get it out of that black pan, you would see that it's not nearly as bad as it looks. See, you can tell it's kind of a little bit darker than honey.
Yeah.
Now, mind you, that's the bottom of the pancakes too. So it's going to be darker than anywhere else. But that's still really clear for even break-in oil at 700 miles.
That almost looks like the beers that I drink.
Yeah. Guys in Austin drink that Guinness style.
Oh no.
Oh man, they talked me into having one once back when I still drank. Oh my god.
Dude, I can't. As many times as I've tried Guinness, I can't.
That was like drinking 2050. It was like.
Yeah, I have. There's dark ales that I'm partial to, and there's the porters and stouts that I really like, but Guinness, that's a whole nother ballpark.
Yeah. The other one they drink is Shiner Bock, because they say Bock is better.
I'll drink Shiner. That's the first dark beer I ever had.
Yeah.
If they don't have any of my other favorites, I'll go to the different.
Here, so it's not going to hold on right here. Hold that. I'm trying to do it up to his mouth still shut or something. But I used to always do when people would hand me cameras, like, let's do it right here.
You put it up your nose.
Well, we know who had the camera. Little line. Okay. So your crush washer. Some guys change these. This is a crush washer. It's actually designed to compress when put against the block. You can see that one. Still real clean. There's no pitting. There's hardly any grooves on it where it was on there. So this one will be alright to put back on. Okay. Probably change this every third oil change, whether it looks bad or not.
Okay.
Make sure we didn't get any grime in my thread.
So I just find those like at any hardware.
Crush washers, AutoZone. Just tell me you need a 14mm crush washer. They're like, I know at the bike shop we sell them in a pack of 20, 25, I think, for like $5. So they're
That's not bad.
And I never sell them that way because, man, you're never going to need that many. But, okay, now, a lot of guys don't have a torque wrench. It is like a 14-pound. I don't have one. So what I do, once it's finger tight, I put the wrench on, and I just let it turn until it stops pretty much on its own. And then I just give it maybe an eighth of a turn after that. Now I leave the bike over the pan, because then when I start filling it up, if I notice a drip, I'll just tap it on a little bit tighter, same with the filter.
Okay.
We'll just go back and forth on stepping those tight. My filter, I put on by hand. Now, we can do that with yours, or we can, it's whatever you think. But right here, see if you come, you'll sit right there where I was sitting. One thing you want to check is right here. You just want to run your finger around it and make sure that baby's still nice and smooth. Now you're going to feel an edge, but the main shiny part, you just want to make sure it's smooth all the way around. If it's nice and baby bottom smooth, we can move on.
Still new that oil changes.
Came off. There you go, because you need it. Okay, so I don't fill the filter because you'll pour it all over the place putting it on. And what I do what I do is I do get a little bit of saturation. That way it doesn't take the engine as long. Because the engine, that's a pump and return. So all the oil before it goes to take care of this, it has to pump in here and back out here and get picked up again and sent through. We can put this on dry and it's not going to hurt it. But your bike's going to allow you about 7 seconds with no oil moving in it, because it's going to be filling this and saturating it and then pushing it out. So I go ahead and at least get this wet, because then it's a lot faster for the bike to pick it up. So you're only going about 2 seconds without oil versus, 5 or 7.
Gotcha.
And I'm no physicist, but the last time I checked, no oil was no good. See, I just fill it up to there, give it a couple seconds, it'll work its way down. I don't do a lot, like I say, because otherwise we'll wind up pouring it on our shit when we go to put it on the bike. Kickstand. Oh, hey, kickstand. Moving forward too soon. It looks awkward, but it's really not. I like to put my hand in through here. That's why we were letting it shoot off. This is the exhaust manifold. Thought that was hot. These are even hotter. Just threads. Cut back. Oops. I forgot to keep one. My bad. This O-ring. This one. You can use this oil. Just get a little on your finger. Run it around here. Because that's your whole seal right there.
Okay.
And that oil will just help it slide and seal.
So that way it's not stuck on there next time.
See, now I'm not going to go much harder than that. Because we're going to wind up running the bike anyway.
Okay.
And we're going to leave this panel off, or we'll run the bike, so then we'll know. Wipe all your excess off. That way, if you even start to have a little bit of seepage, it's noticeable. And you can tighten up whatever you need to tighten up. But I put my filter on just like that with my right hand. Never leaked. So I'm good. Let me grab you a funnel if you want to pull that access cover off the engine cover. Oh, so dead. I'm not find my ass in both hands. This is the part I like. Finger in the thumb.
It's everybody's favorite part.
You sure? Okay. So, now, we'll start with that one. And you are going to, I'll put the first one in if you want. Fill her up.
So at this point, if there's any leak, you'd see it come out and down there.
Yeah, we'll notice it because it'll get to that bolt long before it gets to that sight glass. And we'll be right back. Okay, so we just went over the topping off and the the sight glass trick, how you, after you get so full and run it a few minutes, you hold it level. Our bikes don't have center stands, so it's kind of a two-person job or a close wall. So we've done that. Now he's just going to take it on a short run around the block to make sure everything is okay. And we'll see.
And the oil change.
Okay, so he came back from his little test drive. Oil's good. Filter's not leaking. Plug's not leaking, so we're good there. Now we're watching Alex struggle with the cowling.
Yeah.
See, most friends would get down there and help him, but
Not Brian.
I would be more than happy to do that for you, sir. You just...
Okay, I think I'm confused on what you mean by it.
Okay, here, let me set this one this time, and then you'll be able to master it from then on.
I think that
Okay. So those two go. That one goes over. These two go inside. This has to go on the inside as well. And you got to kick it up to where this one goes in.
okay.
Now, just got to make sure. See, that one went underneath, so we got to do it again. Ah, see, now even I'm struggling. All on the inside. Boom. Now she's on. There it is. Bam. So. Oh, they're all the way over there. We'll start with a rivet.
Simple enough.
This should be good.
Sweet.
Alright.
So is this one?
Yeah, it's the number 4 and the number 5. It
Oh,
should
I
be
see.
on there. Yeah. And this one goes in back.
Let me check this out.
Just pull it. Doink! No, there's no secret code or secret handshake. Yeah, there's a rubber seal in there, so it's going to feel like you're pushing it through rubber. So that's it. So I'm going to stand here and watch Alex a little longer, and we'll catch you guys later.